In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to play Black Myth Wukong on a Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, as you might be aware, if you visit any of the official storefronts where you can acquire Black Myth Wukong, such as Steam, Epic Game Store, or Wii Game, you will notice that they only list the game as being available for Windows, so you will only see the Windows icon, and even if you were to browse through all of the system requirements, once again, they only mention Windows 10 in here. So everything tells us that the game is not available on a Mac, and sadly that is indeed true. The game does not run natively on a Mac. You will need to do some workarounds, so you have two main options to do this. The first one is to use a streaming service. The only one that I know of is Boosteroid, where you will be able to purchase a subscription and play the game over your network. But of course, if you have a slow internet connection, you will not be able to stream the game well, and a lot of people don't enjoy cloud gaming. So in this video, I want to present an alternative that might help you run the game natively on a Mac. To do this, you will have to use Crossover. This is a tool that allows you to use Windows-developed programs on a Mac. So as the name suggests, you will be able to use any native Windows programs or games on your Mac. You will be able to look for Crossover at codeweavers.com/crossover, and in here you can acquire it for Mac. You will be able to do a free trial, but as you can see, it has a hefty price. Keep that in mind. And you will be able to install Crossover and run Black Myth Wukong as you would on any other platform. So after Crossover is set up, you will be able to acquire the game officially on Steam, Epic Games, or Wii Game, install it, and you will be able to run it on your Mac. I wish I could show you gameplay, but at the time I don't have the means to access a Mac-based computer at the moment, so I apologize. But if you were to acquire the game for PC and then acquire Crossover, you would be able to play it on your Mac. Keep in mind that the performance wouldn't be spectacular, but it would still be able to run properly. And besides this, you would have to explore cloud gaming solutions such as Boosteroid. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Black Myth Wukong on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.